How to fix third-party app crashes in Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix third-party app crashes in Windows 10. 1. Run System File Checker, command, sfc/scano, as admin. 2. Run DISM as admin, dism.exe. /online/cleanupimage/scan health dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health restart your PC later. 3. Windows Store app crashed? Try resetting Microsoft Store process via wsreset.exe. Clearing Microsoft Store cache, delete all the files in C, /users /your username /local /packages /microsoft.store purchase app _8 week 3d8 bbwi /local cache. 4. Try a clean boot. 5. Scan for malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.